Today we'll be demonstrating the installation of an EcoHitch part number X7518S on a 2026 Toyota RAV4 SE, which features a 100% concealed cross tube, as well as the highest weight ratings in the market with 5,000 pounds towing and 750 pounds of tongue weight capacity, making it the best option for e-bikes and more. Remove the transportation tie-down from the passenger side. The hook will not be reinstalled as it's only used for transport from the factory. Before starting the installation, locate the two mounting holes on each side of the vehicle. These holes may be covered with protective stickers. If so, remove the stickers to expose the threaded bolt holes where the hitch side plates will attach. Next, assemble the four M12 bolts. Place 1/2 inch split lock washer onto each bolt, followed by a flat washer. Install the driver side frame plate using the M12 bolts. Leave the hardware hand tight for now. Repeat this step on the passenger side. With assistance, raise the hitch into position between the frame plates. Align the holes in the hitch cross tube with the rings on the frame plates. Once aligned, secure each side of the cross tube using 3 1/2-inch bolts, each with one flat washer, one split lock washer, and 1 1/2-inch nut. After all hardware is installed and hand tight, begin torquing the fasteners. First, torque the M12 bolts, securing the side plates to the frame to 70 foot-pounds. Next, torque the cross tube hardware to 70 foot-pounds as well. Your 2026 Toyota RAV4 EcoHitch.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing TorqueLift products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.